welcome to the online class. So I hope you guys are doing well and protect yourself from the COVID-19. Anyway, today we're going to start our lesson with Unit 7A. So the topic is talking about don't abuse. So do you like abuse? For me, I'm not. And I think you're the same as me. Alright, so as you see in the course book, alright, so here's the picture. As you see, so the pictures here was talking about men and women were abused with each other. So according to the picture, so there's the listening, and I will provide you in our Telegram group so you can listen and complete the missing word. Anyway, today we're going to study about grammar. So our grammar is talking about past modal. So the past modal are must, might, may, can, could, and they are ought to have and should have, but they use it in a different way. So here the form of must, might, may, can, couldn't, plus have, and plus verb 3. So we use must, may, might, can, plus have, plus verb 3 to make deduction. So what is deduction? Can you tell me what is deduction? Okay, so let me tell you. So deduction means that you make the situation shorter and shorter. You don't want to make it longer. There might be seriously than this. And speculate. What is speculate? So speculate means that you are thinking about the past situation. So you use must, may, might, and can, plus have and plus verb 3 to make the decisions or make situation shorter and shorter. And you also thinking about the past situation. So in here, rule number 1, use must have when we are almost sure that something happened or was true. Okay, so here the negative of must have, or the opposite, So the opposite of must have is can have. So you can use must have the negative of must have. Must and have, no, it is wrong. So you must use can have instead of must and have. So here I would like to provide you with an example. I must have lost my phone at Anna. I definitely remember having it there. So you are really sure that you keep or you left your phone with Anna. So you definitely sure that it's having with her or with him or something like that. So here must have, you almost sure that something happened or was true. Okay? And then here, number 2, use might, may have, so both are the same. When we think it's possible that something happened or was true. So you think that it's possible, okay, that something happened or was true. Example, somebody could have stolen your wallet when you were getting off the train. So you sure or it possible because of your thinking. You think that it possible that something happened or was true. Anyway, you didn't face that situation or you weren't in that situation. But you think that someone could have stolen somebody's wallet. Example, I was getting off the train and then I definitely remember that someone could have stolen my purse or my bag, something like that. And then the week he think that Rachna could have stolen my purse or my bag, but he didn't stay in that situation. But he think that it's possible that she could have stolen my wallet. Could have stolen my bag or my purse. And here, number 3, use can have when we are almost sure that something didn't happen or that it is impossible. So can have is the opposite of might have or may have. Okay? And we can also use couldn't have when the speculation is about distant past. What is speculation? What is speculation? So speculation, the same as what I tell you in the beginning. So the speculation is what you are thinking. Okay? You consider about something. Okay. Example. She can have, or you can say she couldn't have gone to bed. It's only 10 o'clock. So you probably think that she normally go to bed at 12 or she go to bed at 1. And then you just say that she can't have gone to bed because it's only 10 o'clock. Anyway, you are not in that situation, but you guess, okay? But it is impossible to happen. It cannot happen, okay? So both are different, okay? So if you have any question, you can ask me in our Telegram group or you can chat to me personally, and I'm happy to answer your question anytime you ask me. Okay, so here is the other past modal, but it used in a different way from might have, can have, and may have. So here is the form of should have, ought to have plus the verb 3. So we use should have plus verb 3 to say that somebody didn't do the right thing, or to express regret or criticism. So what is criticism? Criticism means that you judge about something. Okay, so let's see the example. We have gone to wrong way. We shouldn't have turned left at the traffic lights. So in here, you express about regret or you criticism to somebody. Okay. So example like you was trying and then you were confused by turning to the traffic light by turn left, but your direction is turn right. So then you recreate and then you criticism about someone by using should have plus verb 3. Okay. So in here, the other one, use ought to have as an alternative to should have. What is alternative? So alternatives mean the opposite, okay? Or you changing about something. Alternative. So ought to have is the alternative of should have. It's my fault. It's my fault. I ought to have told you earlier that my mother was coming. So you regret. And then you give yourself guilty because you did something wrong. There's might be you invite your girlfriend or invited your boyfriend into your house, have some tea or have dinner because your parents aren't home. But suddenly your parents coming. So then you give yourself a regret or your criticisms about yourself, and then you say, it's my fault. I ought to have told you earlier that my mother was coming. Okay? So, I would like to tell you a little bit. This is really important, and you can remember when you do the exercise, and you might not confuse. Remember that should have and ought to have and the same. You can use both for the exercise that provide you to use this past modal. So you can use both. You can use should have or ought to have, but make sure that you use it in the right form. Okay? So should have and ought to have plus verb 3. Okay? Alright. So I hope you guys understand. Anyway, I want to test your ability by doing the small exercise. Okay? So in here, rewrite the phrases in the bracket using might have or might not have, must have or can have plus verb 3. Let's practice with me. Okay, so exercise number 1. A. Why is there so much traffic today? So what is your answer? B. I don't know. There, and then the blank, an accident. So in the bracket they say that maybe there was. What is your answer? Can you guess? Might not have, must have, or can have for verb 3. Okay, so the answer is I don't know. There might have. So what is the verb 3? Maybe there was. So we change was to past participle or verb 3. So was change to been. So the answer, there might have been an accident. Maybe. So might have been. What is the definition of might? Can you tell me? Might. So they say that we use might have or may have when we think it possible that something happened or was true. Okay, it is possible. That is your thinking. Okay, that about 80 or 90% that you think that it is possible to happen. But anyway, it's not. Okay. So 2A. Oh no, the cake's burning. Wow, there might be black. So you blank too high. So in the bracket they say that you definitely put the oven on. Which form or which past modal you could use? Might have, must have, or can have. it definitely must have. So must have plus verb 3. Read in the bracket again. You definitely put the oven on. So verb 3 probably put. So put. Okay. So you must have put too high. Okay. So mean that you must have put the oven too high. Okay. So why do you use must have? Why? Can you tell me why? So you use must have when you are almost sure that something happened or was true. That is 100% that it's happened. Okay, thank you guys, and I will send you the picture of the exercise into our group, and let's do it all together. Thank you.